come on the podium and saying welcome to some of the most esteemed journalists and media persons of this country. I take this opportunity to very warmly welcome Mr. Imtiaz Alam Sahab, Secretary General SEFMA, analyst and very serious senior journalist. Professor Dr. Gujrat-Pakistan Sahab, Professor Dr. Sayyid Hassan Raza Sahab, Dr. Naveed Chaudhary Sahab, and Mr. Ahmed Sahab. Thank you very much for sparing the time out and visiting the University of Gujrat. Apart from that, I am really thankful and I really welcome all the faculty members of the University of Gujrat from the M.Sc department and all the students who have come here to learn from the book launching ceremony and the book itself by Dr. Yousaf, Deconstructing Culture and Communication in the Global South. Let me take this opportunity to first congratulate Dr. Yousaf for writing this wonderful book, and I hope that all the readers in the M.Sc and the related fields will have a lot many things that they can learn and apply when they are carrying out their practical research on this topic. Sir, I am not from the Faculty of Arts, but I am taking this opportunity on behalf of our Vice Chancellor and the Dean Faculty of Arts, Professor Dr. Zahid Yousaf Sahab, to introduce this wonderful department that we are having at this university. M.Sc, I must tell you, is one of the best departments of the University of Gujrat, and it will be a very nice surprise for all of you that this department has produced the most number of PhD students from this university. And the Dean and Professor of this department, Dr. Zahid Yousaf, he has produced the most number of PhD students of this university. This department is really equipped with all the necessary hardware and software to produce very good journalists and media persons for serving this country. We have our own TV studio, FM 106.6, that is online even at this moment. That is a very good laboratory for our students to practice and harness their skills in that lab. And we have a very good TV studio, one-camera TV studio facility that the department developed with the help of United States one of the SSCI department. And our students are not only, they learn theories in their classrooms, but they actually practice whatever they have learned when they go to their TV studio. And they learn, they conduct their trainings on, to be good anchor persons for the video editing and all the related fields. So this is really commendable. I must congratulate the Department of M.Sc for having all these facilities for their students. Now, coming to the book, honestly, I am as blank on that book as many of the people sitting in this hall would be. I have not seen that book, let me admit it. But one thing that I must tell is that writing books on different issues related to media in M.Sc departments is not new. We have Dr. Arshad Sahab sitting over here. He has written a very good book on modern filmmaking, right? So, for our students, I must tell you that these are the footsteps that you need to follow when you want